Captain Grin is back. He buried me. Come on now, everyone. Help me get out. Really strong. Dig, dig, dig. Thank you for helping me. Now, let's quickly find our letter. I saw where he hid it. Under this shell. We have to dig fast before Captain Grin comes back. Hey, this is our letter. Awesome. We have to find a quick solution. Oh no! Captain Grin is still here. Let's make our letter protector out of Play-Doh. Boom! We take our mold. Hey, look, it's the red crab Molly. We add some googly eyes, but we need to make her strong. So everyone shout together. Crab power! Crab power! Crab power! Wow, look at those claws. Now she can stand up to Captain Grin.
Ooh, look, that's my letter A.
Captain Grin, get out of here! Oh no! Will someone help me? He's chasing me! Help me, quick! Shake the screen fast to scare him away! Shake! 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 Phew! That was close! Thank you, kids! Psst. Don't tell Captain Grin where we hid the chest. Here's the treasure chest. Before Grin returns, hop! All safe now!
Next time, we'll hunt for letter B on Captain Grin's secret island. Stay tuned on Toons. Yak yak!